Diba? Okay, so Tuesday, makuha niyo yung passport niyo, may tatak na yan. Okay? Mamaya may papaliwanag sila sa church mamaya kung paano nangyari. Okay, together, yung sinasabi ko sa inyo ngayon ng EOC. Sorry, tao lang. Uy na ako, salamat. Yung OEC, okay, together with the OEC, okay, kasama na yun. I think the signing the contract is also included for Tuesday. So within that day, hopefully, sana makadaan kayo. Okay, because Monday nila ask us win. Okay, so do you have questions? Yung pitos natin, kanina, pinakasama niya ang police day, may letter na, okay, that we are exempted na sa pitos. Okay, pero yung passport, yun ang mayroon ang tatahan kasi. Okay, yung nakatak doon, hindi yung araw Tuesday, kundi ito yung araw na to. Yung naka-entity dun sa passport na yun. Okay, para tuloy-tuloy na tayo. Of course, problems will always be there. Okay, syempre, nothing is permanent, of course, except changes. Maraming bago kasi, we can never handle time. Okay? There will always be problems, but it's okay. Okay? So, are you okay now?
Yes.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Sounds not okay. Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Okay, without further ado, okay, we have our first speaker for today. Okay, maybe our speaker.